But you're thinking that I'm running? You are speculating that I am running. Yan ang isip ninyo. O sige, tatakbo na lang ako. Yung gusto ninyo, I am open to suggestions from the media. What do you think I should be gunning for?
Of course, Mayor.
Mayor tayo. So, yan ang gusto. Is it a public clamor? Among sa media, is the media's sentiment now reflect the community
Yes, of course.
gusto ng tao, ibig sabihin? Sige, mag-mayor tayo. Kasi ako matanda na, 73 ako ngayon. May cancer kasi ako. Merong trabaho mas maganda pa dyan sa magiging politiko ka. Hindi ka naman magnegosyo ka, magyayaman ka. Ngayon, kung pasok ka ng politika, magnakaw ka talaga. To assure you of a comfortable and luxurious retirement. Kung hindi ka marunong magnakaw, I think that at one time sa buhay mo as a politician, you better stop and think of going into a more profitable or productive. Hindi ka makaasa dyan sa sweldo. Kailangan ka magnakaw. Ngayon, kung hindi ka marunong magnakaw, paano mo nakawin? You have to falsify, you have to ghost project. Hindi natin kaya yan. Kasaya naman yung legacy ng tatay ko, tapos sisirain mo naman.